It's quite overwhelming, though, to be up here looking out over so many people and thinking back 10 years ago when we first moved over to Central Oregon.
It's really rewarding for both Dave and I to see really something so strong come to fruition. Have programs in place that allow everyone here to retire as a millionaire at a reasonable age with great money in their pockets to be able to actually live their lives, enjoy their lives.
When you look out amongst all of us out here, we always talk about the importance of work, family. That's what it's all about. We work to support our families and support our community.
We really do want to say thank you and look forward to sitting here at the 20-year reunion and seeing what we've accomplished.